Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today's word is come. It's an A1 level verb meaning move towards a place. That's right, come. We use it all the time, and it's so fundamental to English communication. Think about it. How often do you say, "Please come here," or "I'll come to your party"? It's everywhere. So, let's dive a little deeper, shall we? To come simply means to move or travel toward a specific location or person. It implies a journey or movement with a destination in mind. It's one of the first verbs we learn, and it remains one of the most useful throughout our lives. You might come home after a long day at work, or a friend might come over for dinner. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's explore some synonyms for come. One common synonym is arrive. The train will arrive at 3 p.m. Another synonym is approach. As I approach the house, I can smell dinner cooking. You could also use the word reach. For example, we hope to reach the summit by noon. And another option is advance. The army advanced on the city. Although these words share a similar meaning with come, the nuances in their usage can vary. Arrive emphasizes the completion of a journey. Approach suggests getting closer, but not necessarily reaching. Reach implies successfully arriving at a destination after some effort. Advance generally implies military meaning or improving in something. Now, let's consider some antonyms for come. The most direct antonym is go. Instead of coming here, she will go there. Another antonym is leave. I will leave at 6 p.m., so I won't come with you. We can also use the word depart. The plane will depart on time. If you're coming, hurry up. The word retreat can also work as an opposite. The army will retreat if you come closer. The key difference between come and its antonyms lies in the direction of movement. Come indicates movement towards the speaker or a specific point, while go, leave, depart, and retreat all indicate movement away from the speaker or a designated point. Now, let's talk about how you can use come in your everyday life. You might say, "Can you come to my office?" Or, "I'm coming to the store later. Do you want anything?" You could also use it in common expressions like, "Come on, let's go," which is a way of encouraging someone. Another example is come what may, meaning whatever happens. Here are a few more examples of come in sentences and phrases. Come and see me sometime. The flowers come out in the spring. Come rain or shine, I will be there. Did you come by car or bus? We come from a small town in Ireland. How did this come about? I'll come clean about what happened. So there you have it. We've explored the meaning of come, its synonyms like arrive, approach, reach, and advance, its antonyms such as go, leave, depart, and retreat, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Remember, come is a fundamental verb in English, and mastering its usage will greatly enhance your communication skills. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show, allowing us to reach a wider audience of English language learners. It really makes a difference. Finally, I want to challenge you to create your own sentence using the word come. Share your sentence as a comment under this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.